Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back. It's almost sleep time and I've just washed my hair. So today I want to show you how do I take care of my hair that is chemically treated, straightened, colored and extremely sensitized from the tips. So it's just a one-step routine that I do, and I'm gonna show you what that is. So let me introduce the product of your dreams. It is right here. Ta-da! Now this is Kama Ayurveda's Bringadi in, I hope I'm saying that, Bringadi Intensive Repair Post-Wash Hair Mask. It helps in bond repairing and restores and protects your hair from any heat that you're gonna give it to them later. So this is how this tube looks. It's a beautiful product, thick, rich. All you have to do is wash your hair with your shampoo and take a generous amount of this product. We are gonna take like a good amount of product and apply it throughout our strands. Okay, I'm gonna take just a little more. Because I have straightened hair, my hair is really porous and need a lot of moisturization, and this is a magical product that actually turns my hair smooth. It's kind of frizzy and damaged at the bottom. I'm gonna focus this product mainly on the ends because this is where I have damaged hair and this is where I need bond repairing property. All you have to do is leave it on for 15 minutes and post that you have to rinse this. I'm gonna rinse it and then style my hair in the morning and show you the end results really soon. So yeah, this one is a bond repairing and deep conditioning post wash hair mask. It restores and nourishes and protects hair. It mitigates the damages caused by heat, chemical treatments and environmental pollutants and aggressors. Also keeps your hair shiny, smooth and frizz-free and manageable. I'm going to show you that really soon. It helps you have good volume. Now since I have straightened hair, that's something that I really need, and it fortifies hair strands to prevent further damage. Now because the hair is sensitized, it really tries to break from here. So because this product is fortifying, it kind of avoids this, prevents that breakage. So this is how my hair look after I have washed the post-wash mask. This was a really good mask though. It actually did everything that it said it will do. It is bond repairing. I don't feel that my ends are very dry and frizzy as they usually are because of the straightening that I have in my hair. It actually has restored and kind of given it a healthy look to my hair. So yes, this is really good product. I really like it. If you have straightened or processed or chemically treated hair, I 100% recommend this. Do try it out. It's a beautiful product. It actually intensely repairs your hair, and all you have to do is just use once a week. So a very nice product, and you can just see the results in my hair. So that's it for this video. I really hope you liked this one. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.